Number 1 says Sabine did a sit and reach flexibility test in gym class on 10 different days. Her stretch length measurements are listed below. So A says plot her measurements on the point. So we have 5, 4 and 1/4, 3 and 1/4, 5 and a half, another one for 5, 4 and a half, 4, 5 and 1/4, 5, and 4 and 3/4. What is the difference between Sabine's highest and lowest measurements? Her highest is 5 and a half, and her lowest is 3 and 1/4. So in order to subtract them, I have to find the same denominator. So 1/2 is equal to 2/4. So I have 2/4 minus 1/4, which is 1/4. 5 minus 3 is 2. So the answer is 2 and 1/4 inches. Number 2 says on Monday morning, Elijah opened a box of cereal and ate 1/8 of its contents. On Tuesday, he ate 1/6 of what was left. How much did he eat on Tuesday? So if he had a whole box of cereal, that would be 8/8. He ate 1/8 of it, which means 7/8 of it was left. On Tuesday, he ate 1/6 of that, which means multiply by 1/6. If I multiply my numerator, 7 times 1 is 7. 8 times 6 is 48. So he ate 7/48 of the cereal box on Tuesday. Number 3 says solve. So again, I have 8 and 4, and since I'm adding, I have to find a common denominator. If I count by 4s, 4, 8, 12, I know I can switch this over to 8s. 4 times 2 is 8, 3 times 2 is 6. So now I have 7/8 plus 6/8. My denominator stays the same. 7 plus 6 is 13. So 13/8, or 1 with 5 left over. Denominator stays the same, 1 and 5/8. The next one I have 9 and 2. So 9, 18, 27. If I look here, I know 2 goes into 18, so I have to switch them both over to 18ths. 9 times 2 is 18. 7 times 2 is 14. 2 times 9 is 18. 1 times 9 is 9. So if I add them together, my denominator stays the same. 14 plus 9 is 23. 18 goes into 23 one time with 5 left over. So again, our answer is 1 and 5/18. Number 4 wants you to find an equivalent problem. So if I multiply the first one and the second one by 10, it would be 725 divided by 145. If I were going to estimate, a very rough estimate would be 800 divided by 200. So my answer is going to be about 4. To actually solve it, I have to see how many times 145 goes into 725. So if I were going to guess, I'm going to check my estimate, which is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 580. That seems a little low, so let's try 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2, 22. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. So as you see, that actually works out perfectly. So my answer is 5. For the last one, 6 3/8 times 4 1/3, I would change them into improper fractions. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 3, 51/8, times 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1, 13 thirds. 8 times 3 is 24, 51 times 13. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 5 is 15. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. So 663 over 24. Or 24 goes into 663 27 times. With 15 left over, the denominator stays the same. Either one of those answers would be fine.